This study conducted by Danish researchers provides valuable insights into the potential benefits of soya milk for women at risk of osteoporosis. The 2-year investigation focused on 90 women with an average age of 58 who were healthy but at risk of developing osteoporosis. The study divided participants into 4 groups. The ASOR group consumed 2 glasses of soya milk daily containing 15 grams of soya protein and 76 milligrams of isoflavones. A second group applied progesterone gel to their skin in cycles. The third group combined soya milk consumption with progesterone gel application. The fourth group served as a control, using soya milk without isoflavones and gel without progesterone. Results showed that regular consumption of isoflavone-rich soya milk effectively halted the progression of osteoporosis in the vertebrae. Interestingly, the combination of progesterone gel and soya milk did not produce positive results, suggesting a potential counteractive effect between the 2 treatments. Blood tests measuring bone formation markers revealed stable levels of type 1 procollagen N-terminal peptide, PNP, in the soya group. The progesterone group showed increased PNP levels, while the other groups experienced a decline. Higher PNP concentrations indicate greater bone tissue production. The researchers concluded that isoflavone-rich soya foods can prevent bone loss in the lumbar spine. They proposed this as a natural alternative for menopausal and older women who may not be suitable candidates for traditional hormone replacement therapy. The simplicity and affordability of incorporating soya foods into one's diet make it an attractive, non-pharmacological intervention for osteoporosis prevention. It's worth noting that soya isoflavone supplements may not offer the same benefits as whole soya products. An American study found that these supplements did not strengthen bones in older women. This suggests that the bone-preserving effects of isoflavones might be more effective when consumed as part of whole soya foods rather than in isolated supplement form. For those looking to incorporate more soya into their diet, it's important to choose varieties with high isoflavone content. Regular soya milk may require larger quantities to achieve the same isoflavone intake as the specialized milk used in the study. Specifically, consuming 3 250 milliliter glasses of regular soya milk would provide an equivalent amount of isoflavones to the study's dosage. This research highlights the potential of dietary interventions in managing osteoporosis risk. It emphasizes the importance of whole food approaches to nutrition and bone health. Further studies may explore the long-term effects of soya consumption on bone health and investigate potential mechanisms behind the observed benefits.